Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Brainrot Zombie mutations. So you can see that they're I can't open the daily pass anymore. So every day if you log in, you'll get a free zombie Brainrot mutation. So you can do that, or I think it's this one here. Daily rewards, you'll get the Larilla zombie, and then on the 7th day, if you log in every day, you'll get chimpanzee bananini zombie. If you go to store, you can also go to unique pets here and purchase these if you'd like to, but I'm not going to. And you'll get zombie mutations like this one next to me. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.